Oh, it's alright. Yes, alright. Yes, alright. It's yet another episode of the Spotlight, Weekly Spotlight. Hano hankore Media TV. Amazina bangeta Brad Sparks. Ni mantambu na Savage Kaburiju. And then wahurech gambo Spotlight. You expect someone by my side. That is the man himself. Beazin Z Jesere Buambar. Beazin to akwache hankore Media.
Or steady.
Semekwa ni kwaje?
Na kunya chira ko the office ne ya wed.
Tutu inokuta atwena tuza kwakira.
Kuya webero bya babiringwa gayi. Ntakurebaho ahaha pano ya Spotlight kugira ngo tugere nshongezi twatangaza mu bacenge ezuba kuba batakucenga tuzitereza tuzireto mu reality.
So akakira kabekaro ka break kabekarumu hatukastego continuation ako twakomere so kurgo butwargana twakabire ibintu bingi munonga but first things first twatetegere by the next twastine program yitu amtenda gambaho was okufa kwa one of part of our members aba showbiz ninga some entertainment umweshongo Happy Freeman batira ngo he has passed away today morning. So Happy Freeman habatakumanya Happy Freeman nuwa
Happy Freeman no mweshongozi nzarwa ya rukunjiri kandi Happy Freeman akatandika wonyuma haho nangu za 215 16 there
kanwaka
akatandika wonyuma kandi omumuri rukunjiri na nemyanya kare katugambe kigeze abaye namani minji munonga minji cyo kurebera kabe nacera kuza shows za rukunjiri abantu bereze mikono abwo kujaba bene bamucenga though no muntu obire na hangarira Kampala konka music yebene kakunu munonga akuba Happy Freeman akija yafunamo breakthrough yeye cyeshongore cyacingambire mucingambire corene cingambire so he had been my friend akwanyonka tukakwatagana 2021 I think kurugobwe andisha tugisoro of course nendongo aho muntu wa ori Kampala nyondi mbarara turwe mu entertainment cyatugisere nendongo had been one of the artists wa atakorera pressure no manye ibintu byo gukorera akahatano oguyakoreke nanye kankoreke kandi abana barukunjera binji binemizejo ati yari ba Ezedeki Ismanyi ba Muhanji nawe no warukunjira
nemizeke Alex
Muhanji bakunana ati nora kunana MCing industry wari mu agebye yari nkawe
Sparks
we ni makavuyo mixed brand
anyway tugumize
so Happy Freeman tutakashe kabakajana twashemererwa kuba yafa ekintu cyazana kandi nikitera hare entertainment industry kuferwa mweshongozi muto kuba few 2 months back abahereze kururiza ngeceshongoro tsya akucheta popo ipapari akacinsindikiraho nacura mu kibe kigeceshongoro kirundika cyatandikire kutambura yija yafunamo buze bwa kidney failure so
kidney abatakacenga
kidney nensigo
araba ko confusing kidney nekitugu
kidney nensigo ekitugo mu rujungu tinkumayane niyo river okay so ati
abazabwira kwingana kine kizibu cya kidney failure
nyobo mperuka gamba nawe actually nakapostinga hwawa a TikTok yanje mperuka gamba nawe akanje ati nimpura ni nshasha munyene munkoro shwija tibwe mperuka gamba ngani ngamara ati nafuna mu rushijanye namani make ati konke kintu ntambura kita ariko mbuza haceshongoro cyeece cha ipapari so mjantan ati nafuna mu rushija ati nyine mani ntino kubaje wakireba ija tuguma ntugana kaza konka mani ganjere so recent nibwe yabe na jangu ayinikize bu chance go kandi ijo ka performing aride aha
chugutu
chabona konkati yesterday abe nagaruka yo mu operation umuchoma ya fero medication under treatment aferiro muchoma kurugera amahurura gitwafuna so boden bakugereta rukunjiri today orwa kabiri then ninja Wednesday nibwe barashendecereza konkanti tushasha kana munonga industry ya rukunjiri babona abeshongozi ba rukunjiri ba Enza Imbanright na nabandi ba Eddie karaba mu entertainment yona ya rukunjiri fraternity tushasha nimwe azametina chango munonga kuba na mwa mbeshongozi abene ba representing kigezi kandi bamwe abeshongoza abamani munonga abene ba representinga Rukungiri akwati Rukungiri wagamba beshongoza bakuruga Rukungiri
Freeman na Enzyme Benalite
niyo gamba Enzyme oyo odgamba MZDK abandi
atorondo okundo okongera habara so twasasa munonga itenga nkore Media TV and ninga senka part of the showbiz fraternity twasasa ahabwo kuruzinga one of our members, may his soul rest in peace. So ndongo yene gumizamo so
life continues
so
arwaitu abeturi aha no mukoro gutu abeturuho habaho incidents umuntu yafuna accident terrible amukoro rwagati yo mukoro abanza haza kashasha mara of course you know akaba accident terrible as a blood shedding whatever kuba herize bakwata bamwiyaho bamutwara umwirwaro bagaruka bagumizamo mukoro basimbura disco abantu
so life continues
konka may his soul rest in eternal peace wherever you go may God bless you.
So nibyebyo ebya Happy Freeman, may your soul rest in peace. Ati yakandi tugarika ndongo yenyine. So in this week ninjira we have had a couple of things. Omega akarizing ebyesongoro bibiri ninga shashita kweta double reason ino ambuze nkuka se double reason iki. So Omega akarizing ebyesongoro bibiri ninjano wabihurireho ninga
nawe meche cha bad energy nico na feeling munonga
bad energy kusinga
bambi think at feeling munonga but they are all good songs though nimza kutwara chirinka first priority
bad energy
according to me ningambecho akuba nicundi ku feeling it's what I felt
twagamba askeru kandi tubiteka askeru yi10 bad energy
ninjereza 8 out of 10 bambi I give it 6 still it's a good credit it's a
good credit unkanyo abwanje hati nyama mate nkora ani mbikora vice versa I don't know why nabo we have different tastes when it comes to music ninjira enga buri of course music ati yono kweri ati nebasa kuba this time round asakusanga echukoro kutocha corona but at the end of the day it's art
first of all without a doubt I think itwe nkanyori kora made in Baraka and concept basically to address bwa Western Uganda Jamansa I take time to concentrate and make research about every music that is released niyo muntari kusitama mukankaru ngawurishize byeshongoro bikurenga 20 ebinta kamanyire byabana bona nababana bakubani bansindisha music ko mwe nimba najihurire konka ni turujira approach ya which is bunibijana approach imbi kandi mbatera boutique kibanyize so
kwecheshongoro
ngo bavimba bici konka nje batiri nti you need to learn how to work with people so abwa made in Mbara nisha nkajanti Omega without a doubt she is the leading female artist from Western Uganda without a doubt kandi comparison I want to make this one clear ambintawe tukuba ntukora comparison Sister Charity na Charles na Tindatini abo tukabiyamu
tujeta outgoing cabinet hakusanga nguko ni legend no
our comparing
we have legends yana nkejisaha bana comparing the best footballers atakujera ngumakana bagamba bakore Pauma yatoka oronisha gamba atu Bernardini so tugamba
Kerasero today right now competitive people competitive artists abantu abaryo mu nkambe right now abaryo mu chai though the other ones are still there but they are pillars satu wano jango chizimbe chombe chirije tokuza kuronde myunyungo ujihigure no reba ha finishing ko nizibici paints wamfuna so twimukeje shantu ja the leading female artist from Western Uganda is Omega so kwa kumkayarurizinge work we need to think deeply why this at this time tujengu byeshongoro bikanyire a hard drive yeye yajatikande kore gumurundi gum jo raka arowa barya atimu yarwe ya awesome yatujango byeshongoro bikakanya ngo baburubwire bwo kubiruriza ngati baza ba notinga bati so bajanguka tuyeho nka mukaga tubibaye
ati ekibuzo cyo wabuze ekyo ari ekibuzo nyimba sachukeza answer because nyona ari ngurizo yo mu camp yawo. Those guys are bakers, those guys be in the music mwinji munonga cause nyawe the other time I got nyawe ninchiraga kufuna ho tujeta sneak listen kusneaking ka ureka iba horam. Those guys have a lot of music, by the way. Neche songoro cha Bad Energy amwe na Bambi at first nenda kusorizinga Bambi chonka kunkabwa ebyo songoro ebyo mu studio ninjira right now bagona bayike kwangu babarizinga because even they are still writing arebinde bishiyo pipeline so ninjira ndebenda to kujango ba take one kan so nja atabeshongos music ejira even do touch of family planning yabyo no koroka bika then
it is fine kanyo no manga nkunda gamba what I feel in my heart na no mutu no kujanti we really need the music from Omega nituenda music yei from this year we need the music, we are yearning for work
this time yo Bambi ne kututura
Bambi kandi turya abakutureba turya nyonbe yazine ze DJ Serebu wambarara
and sparks
eki ninchigambira aha nkore media ekishongoro cha Bad Energy ntiza kugera mani kukize cha Bambi
nanya ngo nimbagambira ngo ekishongoro cha Bambi ntiza kusinga Bad Energy
kari
let's just let katugereze omyezage
cha Bad Energy
Bambi emyezage 3 bakabatu nana gambira nyubyo nakamarebero bibiri gona ndukubihura amazima gagarungu Bambi nyo Bambi is far better to me kasinyo niyo nimbaye ndo bintu byinshi munonga
listen
mani mpuraza BPM
did well kururizinga ebyeshongore ebyo at once nayo nebindi nabyabirete soon video zije nebindi byije cause we want a catalog. Omega karaze kwanika eshongoresha ibiri abaye nebyeshongoro byo kweshongora 2 hours plus.
What I know about Omega, what I know about Omega tumuntu okureleasing ainenjere yakubara music tinkumanya abantu kokwa kubana achenda but ainenjere yakuspacing spacing ya music interval yakureleasingeraho because if Omega was to release that woman would be releasing every day. Biazini gone gamba those guys have music
bakubasa kuchikora every day but of course ngoko wagamba no muntu wena omagaragawo kabe bakutureba kabe Amoni kaboha kabe Asumani kabe nyo you need to have a strategy of how to run your life. Your business none kujara strategy ninza ku stocking ebo bwirobwi tokubarobwire bwo kumuruko kashongo oineduka ya chakara abana nibagaruka amashomero toine mu bucumu nebitabo wachireba so nichimensa nti you need to make a strategy so ati na Omega ni strategy ye yakorera mu it is okay konkani nitugamanka bakureba nshonga ito turya kurugero kutukureba na no kutukurikiza nitwitaga music wamfuna and she has a capacity of bringing music
Judabororiz okwesa somega songoro byinji but no teka at least the best songs is to enable mshohirire kurga June 21st kurga ebrabira na kimwe byo kwa mukaga haro jinjira byo songozi binji ndari bagumana bashoza nankana so
ba JK is in byeshongoro na
ayinire nankana mahega ga music so najana ajyami ayimuka kora ikisongora nchaka kora ikindi
JK is ati wakubaraje ku omujuni twineme byeshongoro nka wano bare byeshongoro bishoboye to kugurusya misho cyeshongoro cha search soro na DJ Matt chaiya to kushoze cyeshongoro amisho cye ebyeshongoro bya JK is cyakapata to kubasa guruke cyeshongoro ticheranuzire
sakona na Medotex but it's doing it is doing well because of the influence. Nyonga bagamba chamazama the song is not nice. Nyonga amazama the song is not nice but nyo ekigonchi kwaraje because of the influence.
Takata jirangu
kare cheche songoro tugambe chamazama kuchitaro kunana should it nana kachakaro karo
ekintu kiri kiti kunana bichi I think omukombeka cause norebe mitwiriho yoneri smart nyoti nkumanye cyabireho
cyandema cyabi hati nyoka kweka mazima garungu that's not a perfect brand. Medotex kunana the perfect brand
no Medotex kunana is a perfect brand cause kunana is not an artist tikuja na kweshongora ogunu MC oguni artist, they have a very good producer instrumental.
ate kindi style bari gono besongoramo very contemporary bwene very modern kandi kintu mangu ntibasa kuteganisa nanka ne Medotex considering music yatu inatuhereza so niyo kankwereka abantu abone kuteka teka ngo akosa ko atanka kunana yabona truth bakabana instrument of course ninka je keys those guys can do something.
No. Anything would come out with the other combination of chiri good. But ekintu kirungi kikanchi basa kurugomuri kunana Medotex na instrument kirungi.
But Medotex okora style modern argent.
Ndimuni njeza nyonka jeza oguma ninyebuza what really happened.
Think man yoko kanyewe if it was me I wouldn't consider
to abahire idea batari baje kori.
If it was me I wouldn't consider working considering njire gukora na Medotex on a modern style of music. Medotex in a style ya kubonero but nyo think amuraga Medotex kuyambaho ariko songa style yagana songora hati so nchimansangu ariko natandika ikintu kisya nakuratira trend konkanyo
oretse shogoro cye cyanda baho na fact zamano joti yes.
Aha hata wachireba hata Medotex sirio kankomangwa Medotex nakutera jojorachi
kankomangwa ya
haza bwe tuyino aro tukaba tuyino kwikiriza ngo harumbu umuntu ayine style ye tuyina abantu kugira ngo tipo wa MCR R&B nakwita wachireba wasya nanka trusa rap nakwita so niyo niteka ngo na Medotex ejo ties tubahereze muri rematch.
Ati brother nicho nde against your suggestion yo kugira ngo they are not perfect combination. Maybe it is the combination is okay, but the idea ekigambo cyo yeah and in fact echo muno jangu nitambura because of kunana no nitambura ho abo kuja hine seranga erimu
seranga by the one man search ibintu kunana ibintu ya nebichi
ngwishito kubana ugamba n'umuntu tiya ninkubando ya
ebintu kunana na resante bine kuruya byo tubakumana babwira abarinja bakimuka yecero njaba abantu babarira omusande zabo njaba bakimuka mukayise bajyangu ya
but ecece shongoro tinka chito mu top 10 released songs kurugo mu June up to date omubibonire ninchito bishohwire nabyo nyonkanye. I'm speaking as Beazin kurujira how I feel no maba foot soldiers na bamanya kwashama and I have no problem with either three abari ha projected. Instrumental is my guy. My guy. Medotex is my guy.
Tinga tsikuma sangu nakujangu you are bad but chabona muntu gamba je ngwaza yongera makonyi
nana taine experience omuka rukunjiri ya abarukunjiri mwetereza umwana wanyu
kona ne msisi kambi
twachaga mbabye shongoro na simba jika ine meche shongoro kirungi kibanje. Nice song, very nice song. So enza imbanera ite nabo warukunjira abana barukunjira nabo batabuke
azarukunjira neza kusara we industry no akabanza zo kigeze kanza mukabari hargaye ba fact hargaye ba nango katona kigeze yo nirwo nerugayo kuza tonora almost for district in representative kandi cyabe kitaro kare so kusanga ni mwentunga mu mino ko bashweke
turi ba ntunga monista rukunjira ne tukuratira
aza boresera
takabi discussing
ntungamo artist ntungamo rabje
ati katu chikoretse eworwe mu comment section gamba cerebral kurga ntungamo
nanondisha gamba rukurga kunjiri
wezo gita mazina
boresera nanga tugamba jamazima ohiro emere chikazi ohiro na rabje ntungamo ndizo rukurga yono
mu comment section
haza Beazin so
emere chikazi niwe no wawe
kaka nakuja ngo yiremere tsikazo
emere no wawe
genda nyenda tugariko mbesongoza sachura anyway we are coming katugarika industry yon
released umukorgo mujune up to date na nebinde byeshongoro byinje birimo maybe ntubasa kuba tutakugambaho konka byona nitubimanya nitubarakire nitubarana time
abasisera kadate.
We thank Omega for that kandi ni expecting anti ebyeshongoro nibizakora kurungi kara abatakoze marketing strategy
ori acha ku marketing akachima
rugacho kumara no kore nshobi abantu niwetaga guidance ekizibu kumukurya
kutari kuri watakuja ngo no kurya tujya ngo no mugati kutari na mugati Omega twako management sezi kumanya no mango kakwereka tugambe jamazim twakubaraje management sezi ku performing aje when it comes to nanko ku marketing their music that nankani diagram bine nankani
nyona leta mu echecho nti church in marketing strategy Nasakuja na marketing ori kuma marketing konka strategy begwire. You Omega had a very nice song of Omzire, but marketing strategy was wrong.
What went wrong?
Nguru tokuchitombaro Omzire ngo okashashura DJ ngo achitere.
Who was paid by though?
What?
No sakusanga DJ akachipurenga because it was his choice, but
nyoni nareta example otareta facts akuba tukwenda kushisha wachireba tokure utecheshongoro cyo Muzire cha Omega wachura ni uri kureba waza yo kachurikiza echishongoro cyo chikwetaga no kuri bato mabara.
So you think the strategy was bad?
The strategy was wrong, not bad.
But the song is still doing nice to me.
To you, good. We use the right word to you.
Okay, so still the same week between men wachigeze chate kozere wachigeza jire Kampala yetara. But by the way, fact is a man, congratulations upon what you made. Fact is a man by the accusation shamani koze intekateka ati chigeze nabo batangiye kugera mu amahembe hati
in Western Uganda tukaturya hatu wenyine tukakorera ha yenyina spotlight na kugambira settlement em on 10th May Rugogo's show means a big positive impact. Echichigamu kachigambira yine nanda inachigambire ababe bantayise. So kurugaho the door was opened. Ejeshana truth yategeka Kampala nakora. As long as yakora very good concept buri kimwe yachi framing aje nakora.
No mama factor hiro na hiyo na influence yachi biona biro influence ya Rugogo eroho hariho na influence ya drops z'abana muhire nyo intekateka agenzere yateka mu that aro echatire mu sense of belonging cyo kubanza ya kigezi cyo kubanza ejo strategy yo kubanza ya kabiri kwereza buri omwe chance abana buri muntu weno bena approaching fact zaman ari kwenda stage uri kubasa kwe facilitating amazima ganga kandi abandi nibanga
nakuja nti buri muntu ine plan ya business and they are right.
Factor hatuhira win
tinko buremingo muntu yakora decision akuba as long as nchimurabya chitaranye gondijo. It is my show, I will do what I want to do. So we congratulate fact the man guy wanje wachigezi. So nimpamya abanyachigezi banywane banje bona bashemerigwe eshayona njatuze nkabunyonyi tunyonturire twegara okuyaho. Fact the man I didn't see Tiburu, though I don't know whether he was contacted.
Tukamanyere why
Mana maniga tenda murebero though he posted nanabandi. So konkachigezi entertainment industry na Western Ugandan entertainment industry, I'm very proud of this. Nani ndani chikora nicho ndi kuchira kumanyirira abantu binkushanga bari nka TikTok za live bine topic eri kugira ngo chikure mesa entertainment ya Western Uganda kura nichi oyinejo topic eri
ato wasanga inejo topic no wa considering gwe birerge nyima ninga no watandika
no bari hopa ko discussing bari serious
nchiche nango mukwate jumbuze 12 katugari tutazahare 2017 industry kere today industry life. So
kuchira kubera against such a people with negative things that actually tinti nebwire bwabyo.
Some people's opinions don't even matter.
Nora nabo kuhika ngaho nkabasha ngo mu group muko discussing anshonga nkejo I either keep quiet ninga mbahijize njende. So turebe into nkebyo bikubaho on 20th July tipo rakari kabari it was a success. Nyandorebe ebe byona nibirwo mu Western Uganda hati tipo takwangarira mbara kari katujeni Ankole region o Ankole region akari kabari ayene yo show ikaba successful. Omuri Ankole henyine tukatune mu grand final za Miss Ankole tourism ziri Bushenyi. It was a success. Fact zamanari Kampala, it was a success. Roy Jari Nebusia Mbari echayo katireba. So hati nurangu Western Uganda 20th
in short they were three different artists bakasatenga down 3 different cities in one night wachenge chini.
So hati chindi nibajira ngo takozere
fact zamani congratulations ahasigara uruseke cyane ngo ugire ingere yiwaruterezamo
abandi twatwine program ejo tujukore
atekateka aftermath yaso
abantu abindi okuyaho fact zamani na nabandi baracakora shows na Jovan akakora show ku yaruga yoti yatereze nshonga ko katubiruga Jovan we tukamanye koka abakuchera akora shows mwaheza mukabura no kutera obusimu kusima nambwe nyene yo mchara kaziriri
cyari Kampala bari besaringa
20th on 21st nayo ninka 20th hanuya mbarara ririya ni nabasa aje pekerge
aba gospel bonka besasara
konka tebona
na gospel nka besasara
reka ngambere cyapa yeciro
gospel bina audience ya
ati ririya ni nabasa no no protestant konka aba gospel babarokore show zabo kunizicera ku flopping ebibero
bacyagateka munankani kuzegamisa mununga edina yibakoruga muninga si
chache yakubironginga
so sanga concert eruga usanga concert neruga ku amwesongozi ebe ya church esatani church
ngunyoni shabero wogu owa pastor gutinkazo omushoyo
na marketing no abari baranjuro mu cyaceje
so atebe bintu mwana mwenda industry aba gospel ati ni mwe ntwenda tubatereze akubato obusacura yaterera just no kupolishinga aba gospel kurugeri
nzi kwakunda bano bahurira tabari ndeme
aba gospel bimwikirizane gospel nekigambo cya ruhanga no wabantu bona kora abo gospel artist nyendebe bintu mbiye ama church kurugeri izo mbiye ama church gospel ni ati nango mwe kunkoze sanke baro bundi muntu arakubi ebara
uretse bara yawe se batine bakuzi
yanje tinyene baro murimba
ngamba no kunde bara gikoze
ni business ebara neyigwire tebakuja ngwaze mu munyankore ngwaze mu mukiga tebakuja haze mu museramu haze mu mukiwaza neyigwire I'm sorry to use Muslims kugira nti akubana hari munemere timukurya ne barya ninjira no kubareba yo bakurya za chicken banywera obusoda bwabo nabone banurwa so ebara neyigwire for everyone irwaro ko kwikota bakuja nguyo no show madinity so nimwe abeshongozi ba gospel run a lesson from Lilian na Abasa run a lesson from people like best Emily
abantu bona
ekinchibe open akuba yo spreading gospel no burire njiri kandi kindi noza kushemeza abantu
Oriya no shanga ngo ba sponsoring sponsors Pastor Nanka chachi yonyene ipastor gwarokora mu
omu church ya Pastor Nanka oryo mweshongozi wa gospel mukachebembeza mukuzakora shows zichafuroping zichafuropinga
marketing ne bagikora chacha yiba kusaba
ati kato congratulations ziriri ya nabasa upon your show ya no fatness it was a success kandi nanye tikanshemeza nabantu bona bakashemererwa congratulations fact zamani congratulations people congratulations Royji congratulations Western Uganda
so naho turi so atebyo nebebe ro muri keje week so ebikora taho cyagaruka cyane hero the biggest radio event in Western Uganda no manyo gamba mazamangiza kunyitsa no kigamba hoki stakashire what should we expect
now radio Western yo kureba actually on Monday we had a casting here made in Mbarara. So and of course it was a success made in Mbarara yonkana mashanyarazi yatahwechin hero
kumukorya
kurya I own that kuja ninkora bwo kurya so twagamba radio West number 1 radio station on Western Uganda
undoubted
and among the top 5 listened radio stations in Uganda.
Utaya wakana.
Wachireba. Radio yo mu radio itaneze kusinga yokurikizibwa omu Uganda.
Kakorana restabana abantu.
Kandi radio yo eri kusinga yokurikizibwa omu Western Uganda. Kandi radio ayine biggest block on Western Ugandan entertainment industry. The biggest block. The biggest pillar of Western Uganda. Nichoro kurebera abantu abeshongozi batura ne bayombana dani akubaze you know what Radio West does watireba nyono mankija gamba hatari mu byo kurya byo kugerati aho ati muno hor kundisa mu vision group taro so etini hero Echiniro nyuma the first Chinihiro kanche ryo mu primary cha 2010 echinagera mu babe bacatwara mu district zindi bakacereta ko witu cha mato mu chayi nico naje nchire kadogo mwana bakutuzibira kuzayi konka
notere no rusheke no kuza kusafa
na mbwenu aba radio host na bategese b'Chinihiro mu nkoreho
mwayikora
wise tinku kitaha munyo tinku kiza mukonka tumuntu tugamba faka so kubijere
wasiga point pango nonda kuzeka tero butebe bwo bushaka post
tinku ribata nyowe I don't just go to event as a fan. I no longer do that. I no longer I go there as a shareholder.
For business
As a support. I go there to support. Wakore I think MVP show yeye ntuza kudigamba kambe njerekere Chinihiro ntuza kubaho rwa mukagoro ebirabire na mwenda nancha kugambira kubijire cyamate nareba audience none reba abantu kubarugiro ko mu byaro ko wituzankaye uko mu byaro bakijo mu town ntunga mu cyamata cyayi kuzati Chinihiro wagaruka kaforwenge binihire bene biryo nibibaho kaceka abantu abakuba baryo mu Chinihiro tibo mu town no mu actually tiba kwangariro itwa binje ntwa turi no mabara abantu bebyamire kunkanora abantu batemba za fiso barugaza mwizi uko wabadiye muswaga barugaza rukunjiriza nkayi bijo mu Chinihiro so echo nchereka man ga ready again kandi ni expectinga wara line up yibakozere ninjira habuzere hori personal alien skin na Roigi
na Omega
taro
tibine Omega tibine Roigi
na Roigi bakabareka kuja bakaperforminga rest Chinihiro beni
Chinihiro it seems this time around tingo mara ina po wachikoze but tokamanyoka kwa babikozere bari ko back end bona
no kudiranti hati twareba Maura and Roin they are good, they are trending twazo musaidi ya comedy. Shiba is doing well.
Ogono wa today and tomorrow na yesterday.
Yonka wajati tukatulio mbato ya Sindi na Shiba no kabajanti Moria Murekeni Queen baye gams nega
ile time Shiba wana no mteje ko murumba raburizoba.
Ne munywanu wanje ni bamweta Ikabod Noah Hayes ni manager yangera akanjera tayi hati batokera we nagwa Shiba oruho ni nyuko
Shiba murara muko
ne kwinika osasere manager kujuma
Eleza tano wasakolala wasiba kwesemo
kare go just nani ngamaka bachiga so Chinihiro wara line up wara King Saha ukara na line up yibine ntimanza nte Chinihiro chinchiza kuba massive kandi ukareba enjere y'abantu bari muni bati supporting aba MPs ni batayente arabantu banje ngukurya no kwabusa kuba kugenda batera ka driver omuntu yari ko munda te ashobora wakache kura tokuya nobusha no byakaye no muntu warwe nabanza guteka agira ati harocha yakasheshe na nemiceri
bana becinire cyo batako
Chinihiro ninjira either ninja dan MVP wakujwetera company nyompereze zanje nyijeyo officially
niwo batari orondo ko achikore mukurangu
MVP echukuru twirimge shati
no kanobireba kanobimanya so still tukigaru dan MVP yeah abantu muzo mu Chinihiro so tuza dan MVP ngo kwano kigamba so dan MVP yawo mukwa 10 dan MVP aine nakuba by the ter show ter concert terchi ntukuba ntu celebrating dan MVP then akorise Omega nka headliner wa artist undebero nti Paul wabe confirm di Katarian kando so kaja unaguma natugambira omporampo
vibes
abo ejo nisigine cyane bakotaka
nabataba bakata vibes
barigigura bageke bakurozinga so that will be Omega
bakakakora taro akasiche
nabakora kache bake bakora na after party so still akorise shonga ya mana ngo kwenda discussing yo akorise Omega kandi tekateka Omega no taga ku performing ngo murumbarra ene around mbarra kusiye berebyo ya tina muntu na ator kubasa kubunga Omega kusiya 210 byo kuyikome so no tekateka ngo echo ntiza kuteka ho any tension kureta abantu because mangu the next nanka na yaine Omega ne ya aine ho Omega no planned na irgona coming soon so tugakacha dan MVP
now dan MVP ngabajanti is worth celebrating dan MVP kandi dan MVP the good things he has done for the industry outweighs the bad things or negative things. I repeat it. Dan MVP, good things he has done for this entertainment industry outweighs bad things and negative things. They always talk about him.
Mazoka tero muryango ari kugira ngo nanitwe babandi tukinga.
So, hey. Okay. Lija ebirungi ebi Dan MVP akorire entertainment industry nibisinga ebibi ebiba kumugambaho omu entertainment industry.
Yeah, yeah.
Ebi nibimanywa abakukora nawe. Tibikumanywa bafanizi b'abantu abakora na MVP.
So that's why when so
takumanya inkoragana yanje na MVP.
Aweta kuzire concert akozire abantu abakumanya.
Fani wa Omega tarimanya inkoragana yeye na MVP. That's why twaza ground aba foot soldiers they hate MVP. But the real people doing well in the game, for them and MVP they are like this. Atarijoro wakubiye nkoragana ya Royji na MVP nibamanyana bati. So ituito bafani zikatukora gwitu. But show
opinions
MVP chiri. Kandi nindeba nti akantu keye tisho timita and greet nikaza kuba celebrating him. Kana nukwimuka kaja nti kakoze se Omega niyo choice ye maybe ninga ni wari kubasa ninga ni wari kunda and Omega taine shonga na ukwisha kabaho akacelebrating kana nukuja takwichize bwagaruka ku performinga anywhere mpaka 2010 tigyari ekikuru nokurebeka ngo buyija ya deliveringa kana MVP yachinte cyari muna organizing akwari n'ababene babuze hati MVP nakuba nakora ki nakuba nayeshongora nakuba na bloginga
wano ndeke MVP arabe nakora iza ningo tegereze rate bituragambire ebebe
tukwenda tubuze MVP ane management ye ya
Chitara music
nitwenda tugambira umweshongozo rimo right now Echin
ndazini kola bajoraga
echizubundi mwe ndio wa facts ntenda tugambira umweshongozo wa
ni Dan MVP echo nechibuzo
ekindi ntenda no muntu owakozero project ezamani ari wazi sponsoringire ninga zitire makasente ningo bayatira hando rusheke akatamu we don't know konkani we tobe tukureba echeshongoro cha yebare akaene momweshongozo bakweta Juria Music Rock Strong na Rwanku niyo gonerenge indirect turamuze omunonga na kunana so ntonda tumubuze where is Juria Music where is Rock Strong
akabuza Rwanku niyo musa
where are they ababona ntubabuzwa MVP ezo project ze aine cheshongoro chikachi cha bishi chikachi rumu Rorije chikachiremu Sirimu Mami na nundijo mwichoba hata babichibona barai
byose beyazi
nitumbuza akobebe buzo nibabitubuza nituturumuntu marira so ntwenda torebe arone cheshongoro chi yakozere cha bekiremu ba Adomzo wachimanya nyawe nyine chiroto chechiroto so norangu MVP akakora project yageze ko kuyamba bana konka ntumbuza barahi
so eche chibuzo twatsigo pipeline MVP niyo rasobora abantu from whoever ahora garitsiremu twakwereza nakantu question paper ahasigara ye marire
ronda answer MVP ronda
akabura ta answer yaba ta answer kandi tukuze mundisha katoze musha atajenchizo
ayizo barya show
so MVP you better reply are so sibura abantu
abakutureba anu ni nkore media kandi mutakayo bwagumana mutufollowinga abantu bamwize ntubijusi hariho na Ronald bataringa ya
ogwe
kansara wanyu LC5 abajwechere parliament yanyu ya Rwampara kandi shonga zona zitema mwize mwine bizo byinji nincera kutaya ya yokwe so ezo shonga zona nakuzitereza kandi ekindi kindly ni I'm warning you against fake bloggers, fake promoters, fake influencers. You people omwenanye nimponama munonga konka niyo muntari kunda kipinga kam but go kwikabikunyijiza. Guys, make a research before working with someone. Akubanye nchakare kwijanondirira. Oriya guy ni chari wawe ni munywani wawe bici nanyo
kawatusiburrum parables katsigame buzo byinshi
ntibancinshasa kandi cyo no kuja nti mugumwe kumira nkore media tubine bintu byinji. We have an amazing show for ladies. Abitini muza kuba ni mubareba abitu abanjurireho bagumene bahereza Brad Sparks na rya niyo honor in media in more than 5 brands and they are all doing well. Tuneba comedians ba that is byona no bishanga nkore media tumanise chitukora ne chamani and keep feeling ankore.
Thanks for following us, thanks for subscribing. Mwebale keeping up nitwe amazina bangeta Sparks na Ntebe na Saveja camera ejeni nkore media. Until next time, you get to see us when we see you.